Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a sawan special Warli art. Here is a woman standing in the rain collecting the rainwater. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to draw a woman. For that, draw a circle. It's so easy to draw. Later on I will show you how to make paintings in Warli art. I am just teaching you the basics of Warli art. First of all, you should learn the drawing clearly, how to draw the figures, the scenes. It's so easy, even the small kids can learn to draw figures in Warli art. It will enhance their creativity and artistic skills. Here is the basket. Okay, now I'm gonna make some design in this woman's dress. This is a Warli art designing. In Warli art, basically we use lines, circles to make the figures and designs. That's why it's so easy and basic. Okay, now let's draw the cloud, as we are showing a rainy season here. And these are the raindrops. To show some more creativity, I am depicting here raindrops as a tiny stars, as she is collecting tiny stars in her basket. You know, these kind of things make this art more interesting, creative, and full of excitement. Kids would definitely love to do all these things, so please make them do that. Okay, here I am doing black in the background to highlight the stars, that she has collected the stars basically. So look, it's so simple, easy, and so creative. You can make so many artworks by using these kind of pictures, drawings. You can make Warli art on MDF boards and chart papers. Even you can do wall art. Okay, so our Warli art showing Sawan month is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.